Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are very happy to have you join us for this video. This is part 2 of our series on the 6 critical places to lubricate your car before winter. Properly preparing your vehicle for the colder months is essential for its performance and longevity. In this segment, we'll cover the remaining 3 critical lubrication points and provide additional tips for winterizing your car effectively. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. White lithium grease. White lithium grease is an excellent lubricant for metal-to-metal contact points in your car. It provides a protective barrier against moisture, corrosion, and rust, making it ideal for winter use. Use white lithium grease on door latches, hood hinges, trunk mechanisms, and any other exposed metal parts that may be prone to corrosion. Applying a thin layer of this grease will help keep these components in good working condition and prevent them from malfunctioning due to freezing temperatures and road salt exposure. Graphite lubricant. Graphite lubricant is specifically designed for lubricating locks and key cylinders. During winter, locks can become stiff and difficult to operate due to the cold weather. Graphite lubricant, in the form of a powder or a spray, can be applied to the key and inserted into the lock cylinder. The graphite particles help to reduce friction and allow for smooth operation of the lock mechanism. Regularly lubricating your car's locks with graphite lubricant will ensure they remain functional, even in freezing temperatures. Properly lubricating these critical areas of your car with the recommended lubricants for winter will help safeguard against cold weather-related issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly throughout the season. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations when applying any lubricants to your car. Stay tuned for the next sections on other important areas to lubricate before winter. How to properly lubricate your car. Keeping your car properly lubricated is crucial, especially before the onset of winter. By taking the time to lubricate certain key areas of your car, you can ensure its optimal performance and protect it from potential damage caused by cold temperatures and harsh weather conditions. In this section, we will guide you through the steps of properly lubricating your car. Step 1. Check and lubricate the door and hood hinges. One important area to focus on when lubricating your car is the door and hood hinges. These hinges can accumulate dirt and grime over time, leading to stiffness and potential damage. Follow these steps to properly lubricate them. Start by inspecting the hinges for any signs of wear or rust. Clean the hinges using a soft cloth or brush to remove any debris or dirt. Apply a lubricating spray specifically designed for hinges, ensuring even coverage. Open and close the doors and hood several times to ensure the lubricant spreads evenly and the hinges move smoothly. Wipe off any excess lubricant to prevent dirt buildup. Step 2. Lubricate the window tracks. To maintain smooth window operation, it is crucial to lubricate the window tracks. Here's how you can do it yourself. Start by lowering the windows halfway. Use a clean cloth to remove any debris or dirt from the window tracks. Apply a silicone-based lubricant along the length of the window tracks, ensuring even coverage. Move the windows up and down a few times to distribute the lubricant. Wipe off any excess lubricant from the tracks. Step 3. Grease the suspension components. Properly lubricating the suspension components of your car is essential for optimal handling and extended component life. Here are the steps to follow. Lift your car using a jack or ramps, ensuring it is secure and stable. Locate the suspension components, such as ball joints, tie rod ends, and bushings. Clean the components using a suitable degreaser and a cloth. Apply a high-quality grease or lubricating spray to the components, ensuring thorough coverage. Gently move the suspension components to distribute the lubricant evenly. Lower the car and check for any excess grease that may need to be wiped off. By properly lubricating your car following these steps, you can ensure smooth operation, prevent unnecessary wear and tear, and protect your car from winter-related issues. Regular maintenance and attention to these critical areas will help keep your car running smoothly during the colder months. Stay tuned for the upcoming sections where we will discuss other important places to lubricate your car before winter. Additional winter car maintenance tips. Winter weather can be harsh on your car, which is why it's important to take extra steps to ensure your vehicle stays in optimal condition during the colder months. In addition to lubricating critical parts of your car, there are a few other maintenance tasks you should consider to keep your car running smoothly all winter long. Here are some additional winter car maintenance tips to keep in mind. Check and top up fluid levels. Fluids play a crucial role in the proper functioning of your car, especially in cold weather. Before winter arrives, it's important to check and top up the following fluid levels. Engine oil. Ensure that the oil level is at the recommended level. Cold weather can cause oil to thicken, affecting its ability to lubricate engine components effectively. Coolant. Check the coolant level and ensure that it is at the appropriate concentration to prevent freezing and overheating. A coolant with a lower freezing point is essential to protect your engine during frigid temperatures. Windshield washer fluid. Make sure your windshield washer fluid is filled up with a winter-grade solution that won't freeze in low temperatures. This will help you maintain clear visibility while driving even in snowy conditions. Brake fluid. Check the brake fluid level and ensure it meets the manufacturer's recommendations. Proper brake fluid levels are crucial for your vehicle's braking performance and safety. Regularly monitoring and topping up these fluid levels will help prevent potential issues and ensure that your car continues to perform optimally throughout the winter season. Inspect and replace worn wiper blades. Wiper blades play a vital role in maintaining clear visibility during winter weather conditions. Over time, wiper blades can become worn and ineffective, leading to reduced visibility and potential safety hazards. Here's what you should do. Inspect your wiper blades. Examine your wiper blades for signs of wear, such as cracks, tears, or uneven edges. If you notice any damage, it's time to replace them. Choose winter-specific wiper blades. Opt for wiper blades specifically designed for winter use. These blades are made from durable materials that can withstand colder temperatures and better handle snow and ice accumulation. Keep the windshield clean. Regularly clean your windshield to remove any dirt, grime, or salt buildup that may hinder the effectiveness of your wiper blades. A clean windshield and properly functioning wiper blades will ensure optimal visibility on the road. By inspecting and replacing worn wiper blades before winter, you'll be better equipped to navigate through rain, snow, and sleet safely. Test and replace weak batteries. Winter can be particularly hard on car batteries, as the cold weather can decrease their performance and potentially leave you stranded. To avoid this scenario, follow these steps. Test your battery. Use a battery tester to check the voltage and overall health of your car battery. If it's showing signs of weakness or is nearing the end of its lifespan, it's advisable to replace it before winter sets in. Clean battery terminals. Over time, corrosion can build up on battery terminals, hampering the battery's ability to charge and discharge properly. Clean the terminals using a mixture of baking soda and water to remove any corrosion and ensure a solid connection. Consider a battery blanket. If you live in an area with extremely cold temperatures, consider investing in a battery blanket. This device wraps around the battery to provide insulation and maintain optimal operating temperature, increasing the chances of a successful startup in cold weather. Taking proactive steps to test and replace weak batteries will help prevent frustrating breakdowns and ensure that your vehicle starts reliably throughout the winter season. Remember, proper winter car maintenance goes beyond just lubricating critical parts. By checking and topping up fluid levels, inspecting and replacing worn wiper blades, and testing and replacing weak batteries, you'll be well prepared to tackle the challenges of winter driving. Stay tuned for more essential car maintenance tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly in the upcoming sections. In conclusion, it is crucial to lubricate certain parts of your car before the winter season to ensure its smooth functioning and longevity. By paying attention to these 6 critical areas: the engine, door locks, hinges, battery terminals, suspension components, and weather stripping, you can protect your vehicle from the harsh effects of cold weather and prevent potential breakdowns. Regularly lubricating these areas will not only reduce friction and wear but also help to maintain optimal performance and efficiency. Additionally, it will minimize the risk of corrosion caused by salt and moisture on the roads during winter. Remember, lubricating your car is a simple and cost-effective preventive measure that can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Make it a part of your winter car maintenance routine and enjoy a hassle-free and safe driving experience throughout the colder months. So, don't forget to lubricate these critical places before the winter sets in and keep your car running smoothly, no matter how low the temperature drops. Stay proactive and take care of your car's lubrication needs to ensure a worry-free winter driving season. This concludes part 2 of our series on lubricating your car before winter. We've discussed the remaining 3 critical lubrication points and offered valuable tips for preparing your vehicle for the colder months. If you found this 2-part series helpful and are getting your car winter ready, please show your support by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing these videos with others, and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement motivates us to continue providing reliable automotive information. Thank you for watching.